This opportunity won't last forever. Let's talk about our best deal on fabric so you can scoop some up before it's gone. We've accumulated quite a bit of fabric seconds that didn't meet our quality standards, so we're slashing the price by over 75%. That means only $5.99 for 1 yard of fabric and $29.95 for 5 yards of fabric. And not only is this our steepest discount we've ever offered, but it also gives this not quite perfect fabric a chance to be put to good use. Here's how this sale works. You can choose between 1 or 5 yard bundles, and what you get is random. Who doesn't like a little surprise? And while the exact color and pattern are a mystery, you will still have a solid idea of what you're getting. It's seconds of our solution-dyed acrylic performance upholstery fabrics, and these are some of our most premium materials, perfect for both indoor and outdoor projects. Some of the flaws you might see include slubs, misweaves, marks, and slight color irregularities. If you order the 5 yard bundle, all 5 of those yards are going to be one continuous piece, so you can plan for some larger projects. But if you order 2 of the 5 yard bundles, there's no guarantee that second bundle is going to match the first. It's mold, mildew, and water resistant, making it ideal for outdoor upholstery. It's durable, both abrasion and weather resistant, and it's stain resistant and easy to clean. And it's all of that while still being soft. So use it in your house, camper, or RV. So who is this type of sale for? I would say a bargain hunter who doesn't mind rolling the dice on the color or pattern of the fabric they're gonna get. Plus, it's one of those easy things to add to your cart to hit that free shipping threshold. Also, someone who likes to prototype things like me. I like to prototype any project I really care about, and this is a cost-effective way to do that while getting familiar with how these fabrics sew. And like I mentioned earlier, a beginner who wants the freedom to experiment and try new projects and probably make mistakes without worrying about ruining some premium fabric at a high cost. So you're either gonna learn valuable skills at a low cost, or maybe you nail it on the first try and you end up with a top-tier fabric project for the price of a sandwich. So don't wait, we have a limited amount of seconds, and when they're gone for good. I wouldn't blame you for stocking up on enough fabric to cover the next couple years of prototyping. I'll probably do the same. Links to the 1 yard and 5 yard bundles will be in the description. So head over to Sailrite.com where you can DIY and save.